Hey guys, I'm back again after a long time, and I saw in the comments that few of you guys are not getting sound in the video which you have converted for your Sony Bravia LCD and LED panels through my previous uploaded video. This is all due to the DTS audio codec in your video file. So if you have audio codec other than DTS, please stop the video here and watch my previous uploaded video. You can find the link of my previous video in the description bar of this video. So in this video we will convert demo.mkv file which has DTS audio codec in it so that it can be playable in every Sony Bravia LCD and LED panels. For that, open up your browser, type in www.videohelp.com/software/KIRARA-ENCODER, hit enter. If this link is not clearly visible to you, you can find this link in the description bar of this video. Initially its name was Kirara encoder, now its name is changed to Shana encoder. It's a freeware. You don't have to purchase any license for the utilization of this software. To download Shana encoder, click on this download Shana encoder 3.1 direct link. I have already downloaded and installed it on my desktop, so I will continue from here. Open up Shana encoder, select menu, click on add, find the file which you want to convert. Here you can see that audio is in DTS format. So basically we are going to convert this video into a audio file which has AC3 audio codec. So for that, click on topmost right corner button, go to quick setting, select AC3 file, uncheck image size because we want audio only, not video. Select bitrate to 640, channel to 5.1, and sample rate should be equal to this 48,000 Hz. So I will select 48,000 Hz, save the setting and start the conversion. It's done. Close down Shana encoder. Here is the file which is produced from Shana encoder. Now open up TS Muxer. I have already provided the download link of TS Muxer in the description bar of this video. Now click on this add button and add the both original file and the file which is produced from Shana encoder separately. Now uncheck this audio codec, DTS audio codec, uncheck it and click on m2ts muxing. File, select the output destination, mine is on desktop. Click on start muxing and it's done. Close down TS Muxer. So this is the converted file. Now it can be playable on any Sony Bravia LCD and LED panels. I'm gonna put this demo file on internet and give you the link in the description bar. You can download it and check it yourself on your computer. So guys, if you like my video, share it with others and please subscribe. Thank you.